Oh, geez. There it goes. Fish on. Fish on. Came off. Oh, still got it. That's a fish on. That's a really big fish. Fish on. Fish on. That's fish on. That's a real fish. It's a fire truck coho, I think. Man, he got that thing right in his schnoz. If it comes off, I'm not going to be super mad about it, considering it is a wild and it's a coho and it's pretty spawned out. It is fighting pretty damn hard. Trying to keep its head pointed this way upstream. Come here, bud. It's right in front of me. See if we can just bank him. Got him. Look at that. Shoo-wee. Big old coho, fire truck, man. Got it. Okay. There he goes. See you, bud. Fish on. Come upstream, buddy. Come upstream. I don't know what it is. Pretty sure it's a steelhead. Right in front of me. And verdict is it's a steelhead. It's a wild steelhead on. And it's a beautiful fish too. Let's see if I can get it. Oh geez. There it goes. See if I can get it in this pool up here. I got you. Little one. Little wild. Took a quick pick. It's relaxing now. Hook was just barely in its mouth. I'm gonna take it, point it upstream right here into this little pocket. There it goes. Whew! Second winner of the season. Let's go. Now if I could find a hatchery. That's a fish on. We'll loosen up on it just a little bit. I wish I got that freaking bobber down. It's jumping like crazy. God. Yeah, let's go. Hatchery bonk. Whew! No, you don't. Get out of the water, you SOB. That was almost bad. Into the net with you. You can freak out in the net all you want. Okay. Well, that happened fairly quickly. Man, I wish I would have got the bobber down on that. This thing started jumping like crazy. It's a decent hatchery fish. It's like 5 pounds maybe. Can dispatch him and put him on a stringer. Okay. There's a steelhead on a stringer. And I got it using the good old-fashioned nutsack. Ran out of half-ounce sleds. Giving the hole a quick rest and I'm gonna get back in there. Okay, let's see if I can get a bobber down on this one. Seemed like he was laying just right in here. Straight in the middle. Fish on. Got him. Oh, popped off. Freaking popped off. Very next cast had one. Well, I'm 1 for 2 now. There's one. Fish on. I got you, bitch. Got that bobber down on. Let me get down here with it. This one's a little bit more colored up. This one feels like it's a little bit bigger. This one is a little bit bigger. Get into my net, buddy. Nope. Almost had it in the net. Be a little difficult netting these at times. All right, come here. He ain't done. Gotcha. That was not the most graceful net job I've had, but we got him. All right. Well, it's another hatchery and it's bigger, but I don't know that I want my fishing day to end so quick. I'm gonna let this one go. It's a little bit dark. The fishing day just started. This one's a little bit beaten up. So we're gonna let this one go, see if I can catch a little bit brighter one. Take a second with it, let it breathe. If this is a buck, I'd probably keep it, but I wanna eat these things. I wanna make sure that I get ones that are still in decent shape. This one's reasonably colored up. There you go, buddy. Get your strength back. Oh, it's trying to go. There she goes. All right, let's get a little bit brighter one. There's a steelhead moving up into this really tiny water right here. I'm gonna see if I can get behind him and get him with a spinner. He's pretty unfazed by it. He looked at it that time. Right here. Oh, he keeps going after it. Got him. Got him. He hammered it that time. Oh my gosh, she's just flopping and rolling on the bank. That was so cool. I freaking sight fished that thing. And there it goes, just swimming again. I just sight fished for that steelhead. That was sick. Beautiful. Fish on. Fish on. Came off. Oh, still got it. That's a fish on. That's a really big fish. Try to chase it down. It's a really, really, really big fish. Popped. Damn, that was a big fish. That thing ripped me. That thing ripped me up. Got a fish on here. That's a beautiful wild fish.
Wow.
Yeah. There it goes. Now it's starting to figure it out. I'm letting it tire itself out. It hasn't fought a lot.
How long is your leader?
Like 3 feet maybe. I was fishing up, I hooked it up there in the rapid. It hasn't fought me super hard yet. That's why I haven't brought it in yet, because I don't want it to flop on the bank when I go to get the hook out and everything. Can you take this glove off for me?
Yeah, I'm gonna take my glove off. Ooh, you got it.
Yeah, it's like a 5-pounder. Yeah, it's smaller than the one you hooked.
Oh yeah.
This is way smaller than the one you hooked. Beautiful wild fish though.
I'm gonna try to get doubled up with you.
I pulled it out of that spot. It could be sitting next to another fish. Usually they sit together. I cast it a little bit higher that time. Jordan's like, I'm gonna double up with you. I don't catch them on these worms very often. Normally I fish beads like he's doing, but I'm like, I'm gonna try some different stuff. There we go. It's fighting now.
It came to the realization.
Yeah. It's gonna be dead tired here in a second. I should just be able to grab it. Are you tired, bud? Are you done? It's a buck. This is a male. See how his nose is pointed?
Kinda, yeah.
This is a buck. You want to do me a favor here? I'm going to hold on. I'm going to keep it hooked.
Yeah, what do you need me to do? That little fin right above your thumb, that's what means you can't keep them?
Yeah. That's an adipose fin. Got my picture with them. We're going to try to get them off quick. Don't cut my fingers, buddy. Oh. Don't do that, dude. I don't trust you now. You want to take this?
Yeah.
Close the reel. It's doing all sorts of shit. There we go. I got it out, dude. Wow, it hooked in the other part of his mouth. Nice. I don't know, 4, 5, 6 pound wild buck. Let him do his thing for a second till he's ready. There he goes.
Am I doing the right thing, pulling this out to get this loop?
Yeah, he'll be fine. Look at him.